Welcome to the London Luxury YouTube channel. My name's Hayley and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a jumbo Renee. In order to make your jumbo Renee, you are going to need your vessel, your fragrance, of which today I'm going very festive and have gone for frosted spice and ylang. I've got 3 wicks, of which I'm using the LCS 70s, my stickums, my stiff wicks, and a stirrer to blend that wax and fragrance together. So to begin, the first thing I will do is attach my stickums to the base of my wicks. As I said before, I'm using 3 LCS 70s to give that nice even burn down the vessel. Okay. As you can see, we've gone for a like triangle shape in there. As you can appreciate, these jars are large and therefore I am using 1,196 grams of wax and 104 grams of fragrance. These have now been blended, so I'm just going to simply pour this in. Now, our jugs aren't large enough to take the full capacity, so I have had to split it between the 2. And that's nicely topped up and in place. I've now added all of my wax to my vessel, and as it's so large, really we want to be using a stiff wick in order to keep our wicks nice and central. So I'm just going to add those across the top there. I generally tend to find that working in a cross motion is the best. And you need to leave your candle for 24 hours to fully set and cure. Channeling my inner Blue Peter, here's one I made earlier. However, this one is in the silver mercury finish, which I thought would be a nice option to show you as opposed to the gold that we made earlier. So you can see the 3 wicks have been cut. And this is simply a beautiful statement piece for any Christmas table.